Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account, guys. And over here, guys, in order to remove your Snapchat Bitmoji, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a Bitmoji or your profile icon at the top left. Tap on it, and on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on that settings or gear icon, and over here, guys, on this interface scroll down a little bit and you can find the Bitmoji option available for us just below the notifications. Tap on that Bitmoji icon, and over here, guys, on this interface again at the below you can see there is the unlink my Bitmoji option available for us. If you tap on that unlink my Bitmoji option, here it will pop out this menu where you will be able to remove your Bitmoji. Tap on the remove button over there and then your Bitmoji will be removed from your Snapchat. And there, guys, this is how you remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.